So it looks like we're gonna give a new nanny a try. From Nando's neighborhood. Just a day nanny, not a live-in. Okay. I'm gonna go up to the corner store and get a bottle of Coke and Tender Eye for the guys because it's Saturday. They like to have a few drinks after work on a Saturday. But Nando can't drink too much. He has to work tomorrow. We got to get some more doors hung up before Monday. So, be back. Run into the store. She don't feel good, I don't think.
Yeah, I think she don't feel good.
Sama ko oras sa pagmano.
Alas 8 ka musugod.
Tanaw sa kapot. Bala doon. Ni salita nito lang kayo.
Oh, personal na mo.
Asa to pa pwede dito.
Ayaw, mga ngayon sa mga after
Dito sa lido.
simposo.
Bala ko dito.
Paano ko nila ang galing ba? Grabe na sa mata ko mo pakialam. Ano sa
Ano ba kay?
Muli ko siya.
Ano ba?
Di kay kon mo sa kong mama. Ihugman na rin ako kay.
Oo. Ay, trabaho dito.
Na, mabukoy pagumang ko.
Tell Nando that the doors don't have to be all, finished. They just have to be hung up when the glass guy comes.
Kaya nando. Ay importante jud ko lang nga masabit ni ninyo kay kanan.
O karon ini ng taod ba?
And then he can do the finishing work later.
Ug maara ba kay magtumig. Magtumig talibon. Paano kapag sugod tim Merkulis? Lunes. Lunes? Wala may
Wala sila sa Lunes.
Merkulis na lang.
Oo, may bilis Lunes, Martes.
Nanay, pwede ma'am. Sinimanan na namin ang pangadyo.
Okay ra.
Na ako'y mga estudyante.
Okay ra.
Ang baon nila ba?
Ikaw resa to, ikaw resa.
Yan natin. Ha?
Ikaw resa.
Duha di yung kinahanglan ma'am.
Sara.
Sara.
She comes from Nando's neighborhood? Okay.
Bilis ni Bert. What? Yeah, mama? She wants to go down. Hey, ABCD, kantay sila ABCD.
Baji ma'am.
Kantay sila ABCD. ABCD. Kantay. Pasabot ka. Kusog na mo kanta nila, di masabot. Sila na. ABCD. ABCD, sing ABCD.
Chinese.
She wants chubby guy. She's putting her arms out to him.
Yeah, ba niya nani? Yeah, ba niya nani? Wala ka nani?
Ha? Kabaho pa may ilang bayan.
Adaya.
Iya. Sobrakas may sundo.
Siya sa niyo nani.
That's Nando's daughter? Oh. Wow, that's Nando's wife?
Yes.
Wow, say hello. You're on the video. Ah. All the wives are here. There's the painter's wife, there's Nando's wife, and then there's Chubby Guy's wife. They're all here on Payday. I love it. Hey, it's not my fault.
Asa may kuha sa yung? Yung. Tulo ka kilo dito lang ninyo. Tulo ka kilo. Tulo ka kilo dito.
I'm having one too.
Adobohon dito.
No, just one. We're going to Hagna for dinner. We're gonna go to. I'm splurging tonight. We're going to McDonald's.
Tulong din
Where is Mimi? Mimi!
Buta ni Mira kay abot gawas kami
Where are your kids? Where's your kids? Just one? Only one? 3? How old? How old are your kids? 8? And then how old the other one? 15? And then how old? And 11? Ah, okay.
Oh God. All boys.
Look at Nando's daughter. Looks just like him. Huh? So pretty? Wow. Just have one drink. One quick one. Okay, fill it up for him.
One year siya.
Okay. Thanks, Nando. Yeah, chubby guy, come here. Get your drink. Yeah. Ah, he's afraid. Okay. I can't force him. Bye, guys. Thank you. Thank you, everybody. Bye. Bye-bye. So cute, huh? Yeah, because it's Saturday and they don't come home. I think last Saturday night they were at Iman's drinking till 11 o'clock at night, spending their whole paycheck. Right? And now the wives come. The waves got smart. They come here. Right? I love it. I really love it. I love the fact that all the wives showed up here to get their husbands before they get drunk and spend their whole paycheck. How funny is that, right? Huh?
So yeah, it's Sunday afternoon. Anthony get drink with
Sa lahi na niya, day.
Italian.
Italian.
So people give him a barbecue.
Baliw.
Oh, mau niya.
Kabid lang. Iya. Hey, picture. Awa, sibuk. Yan, diba? Patay. Selamat.
The Philippines is different than
Ma'am, barbecue.
Ay, sige, salamat lang kayo.
then you go to Dubai, you
Pangkawat pa rin.
Tingirigit. Lumawas sige. Tingirigit. Tingirigit. Ay, she wanna stand. She wanna dance. Tingirigit. Tingirigit.
She's really walking almost.
Tingirigit. What's that? Huh? Oh, she don't have the rashes anymore, Daddy.
No, the rashes are all gone. And she got good color. She has good color in her skin today. What did Nanny say?
She said she don't drink milk this afternoon.
But does she eat?
She eats.
Yeah. She prefers to eat food, that's why. My sister said that's normal. My kid don't want milk. My kid wants a meal. She wants real food. She don't want milk. She likes to eat. This kid, if you put food in her mouth, she'll eat it. So you don't have to worry about the milk. Because she'll eat whatever you give her.
Come here.
Watch her.
Hey, kapit tayo na ngayon. Anak. Hey, anak. Ay. Nagkilat-kilat na yung mga flower.
Parang hapon na pagpagpagpata. Kaya magkipanggawas din niya to. Ito lang puntahan.
Kiss mommy. Kiss mommy.
I love this kid. Look at her hair. It's
Ow.
so curly. Coming to daddy?
She don't know that's a name.
What? You want daddy? Huh?
Super.
I don't know. Yeah, she wants her shows. So, see you guys.